When Russia started its war of aggression against Ukraine, the EU answered with action. In December 2022, the Laptops for Ukraine initiative was launched, a powerful campaign to get digital devices to places most affected by the war. This campaign was organized as a successful partnership between the European Commission, the Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine, the Ministry of Interior of the Slovak Republic, and Digital Europe. Citizens, companies, and local governments across Europe joined their forces. As a result, around 19,000 devices, such as laptops, phones, and tablets, were collected and distributed to Ukrainian schools, hospitals, and institutions through the EU Civil Protection Mechanism and its logistical hub in Slovakia. Ukrainian facilities are now better connected. As the campaign wraps up, we want to thank all the parties involved. Every donation and every effort made a real difference. But the EU effort to support Ukraine continues. The EU Civil Protection Mechanism stands ready to continue facilitating donations of emergency assistance in support of Ukraine and in cooperation with the national civil protection authorities from European member states and states participating to the EU Civil Protection Mechanism. For further information, visit our website